Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a search bar in Google Sheets. Now this is a little bit complicated tutorial, so I want you to go ahead and try to check out this tutorial. This is going to be fun though. We're going to go ahead and use this data right here, and we're going to head over to the search here, and this is where we are going to be putting those information and searching this information. This is also where we're going to be playing. So yeah, let's head over here and let's just go ahead and type here, word filter, open parenthesis, and then we're going to go ahead and choose the range. Now the range that we're going to be choosing is going to be at this one right here. Let's just go ahead and highlight this one, head over back here, and we're going to go ahead and type comma, and then search, and then open parentheses, and then we're going to go ahead and assign where we're going to be searching. So I'm going to go ahead and click this one, and as you can see it has pop up there, and then comma, and then text to search. So we're going to go ahead and choose where we're going to be searching. So let's go ahead and highlight this one right here, and then let's go ahead and close this one twice, and then hit enter. Now the moment you do that, you are now back here in the search Excel tab here, or Excel sheet. And then what I'm going to be doing here is just basically just try to hide all of these information. I'm not really going to be needing this one as of now. Let's go ahead and click hide rows, and now all that's left is what it is. Now it's the ID number, the family name, the first name, and the GPA. So that is what is going to appear here when we are going to start searching. So say for example here, I'm gonna go ahead and try searching 2025, and this is an ID by the way that I have there. Now if I hit enter, all of those information are gonna be replaced, right? So it's the same thing if we are going to search for another number. Let's try that one. Click enter, and you can see that those information has changed. And yep, that's the easiest way in order for us to make a search bar in Google Sheets.